Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to solve example number 17, 18, 20 and 21. These 4 example we are going to solve. First of all, example number 17 we are calculating. Before you learn this, you must have attended earlier lecture, right? So you can solve this example, and I have given this as a homework. So this homework question we are going to solve. So let's start example number 7. So answer number 17. 17. Calculate cost of sales as per current cost accounting method and COSA, cost of sales adjustments from the data as under. So opening stock, cost of sales and closing stock is given. So remaining things we can find it out. 80 is the opening index, closing index is 100 and average index is 200 and average index is 100 is given. So write down note 1. Note 1 is calculation of conversion factor. Calculation of conversion factor. So first, opening conversion factor is equal to, this is CCA method, so average index will come first divided by opening index. Okay, so 100 is average, right? This is 100 is average and opening is 80. So it is 1.25, right? Average conversion factor, so average index divided by average index is equal to 100 by 100 is 1. And third is closing conversion factor. So average index divided by closing index is equal to 100 by 200. It's 1.5. Now we need to find out cost of sales adjustments. So write down statement showing COSA, cost of sales adjustment, and you know what to draw. So particular historical cost accounting, the amount will write, conversion factor and CCA method. So CCA, right? So let's start. So opening stock is given, cost of goods sold is given, but purchase is not given. So we can find out the purchase. So write down opening stock. Opening stock 400 plus purchase is not given, but here COGS is given 200, closing stock is given 200 and COSA is 600. So closing stock we write, right? Closing stock is 200 and COSA, matlab COGS, stop. Start. So first we'll write opening stock. Opening stock is given 400 plus purchase is not given, so we'll not write right now, but minus closing stock, and closing stock is provided 200, so I am writing 200 here, and this is COGS, cost of goods sold, and cost of goods sold is also given 600 rupees. You can check it out here also, right? 600 is cost of sales, cost of goods sold. So this is minus, so we will add 200, so this is 800 and difference is 400. This we have found it out, right? Now conversion factor, opening conversion factor will be applied to opening stock. Average conversion factor will be applied to this, and closing conversion factor will apply to this, right? So multiply 400 into 1.25, it's a 500. 400 into 400, 400. Total it becomes 900, and this is 100. So remaining amount is 800, right? I hope you understood this thing. I am little bit speed in a speed. So COSA is equal to COGS as per CCA minus COGS as per HCA. So 800 minus 600, so COSA is 200. This is the answer, right? So example number 7 we have solved. Now next example is 18. Example, opening stock is given. Calculate COSA from the following information. Opening stock, purchase and closing stock is given. So COGS is not given. So we'll find out COGS as per rule. So answer number 18, right? Answer number 18. So note 1, calculation of conversion factor, right? Calculation of conversion factor. First, opening conversion factor is equal to average index divided by opening index is equal to 198. Sorry, 198 is the average index, opening index is 118. So this is again 1.1. Second, average conversion factor is 1. I am not writing, you can write. Third, closing conversion factor, average divided by closing. So average is 198 and closing is 220. So it comes 0.9, right? 0.9. Now statement showing COSA, write down statement showing cost of sales adjustment. The three things we'll write: particulars, then historical cost accounting, conversion factor and CCA. So comparatively this is easy example compared to last examples, right? Opening stock is given 10,000. I am writing 10,000 plus purchase. So purchase is given 30,000. So I am writing 30,000. Total 40,000. Only COGS is not given, right? Minus closing stock. Closing stock is 12,500. So COGS 27,500. This is minus, remember, COGS, right? So opening conversion factor will be applied to opening stock. Purchase is continuous, so 1 and 0.9. Multiply it, 11,000. This is 30,000. Total 41,000. 12,500 into 0.9, it comes 11,250, right? 11,250. So 29,750, right? I hope you got this answer, right? And this 27,000. Now COSA, cost of sales adjustment, COSA. So COGS as per CCA minus COGS as per HCA is equal to 29,750 minus 27,500 it comes 2250. COSA is 2250, right? I hope you learned this example also. Now let's start example number 20. Calculate COSA from the following under CCA method. So here historical cost is given and indices are provided. So the opening index is given, average index given, closing is not given. So we'll find out closing index first. So write down note 1, answer number 20. Note 1, calculation of closing index, right? So average index is equal to opening plus closing divided by 2. So let's do it. Average index is 120 given, so this is 100 plus closing index we don't know, so x, and this is 2. So 2 we are taking here, so 120 into 2, this, right, is equal to 100 plus x. So I am removing this, right? In later stage we'll calculate that. So next, 120 into 2, so 240 is equal to 100 plus x. So 240 minus 100 is equal to x. So x is equal to what? 140, right? So closing index is 140. Now conversion factor we need to find out. Note number 2. Note number 2, calculation of conversion factor. So the first, opening conversion factor is equal to average divided by opening, right? So I am doing in a rapidly, hurriedly. 120 divided by 100 is 1.2, 1.2, right? 1.2. Next, second, average conversion factor, average, you know, 1. And third, closing conversion factor is equal to average divided by closing, average divided by closing. So 120 divided by 140, so it comes this only, right? Now statement of COSA, write down. Next, statement showing cost of sales adjustment, statement showing cost of sales adjustments, particulars, historical cost accounting, conversion factor, CCA, right? Chalo, opening stock. So what is given? Opening stock, purchase, closing stock, COGS, everything is given. So we'll write same thing, 50,000 plus purchase 1,80,000. So total 2,30,000 minus closing stock. Closing stock is 84,000, right? So 84,000 is closing stock. So COGS 1,46,000, 1,46,000. Conversion factor 1.21, and this is 120 divided by 140. So multiply it and get your answer. 60,000, 1,80,000, total comes to 2,40,000, right? And this is 72,000 minus, so it comes 1,68,000. So both the answer we got. So COSA we can find it out, cost of sales adjustment. So write down COSA is equal to COGS as per CCA minus COGS as per HCA is equal to 1,68,000 minus 1,46,000, right? So total 22,000 is the answer. So example number 20 also we have solved. Now next example is 21 example. So 21 example, let's check. Determine the value of COSA from the given data below. Opening stock is given, closing stock is given, indices opening given, closing indices is given, and average indices are provided. So now we don't know what? We don't know purchase we don't know. We also don't know the COGS. So these things we don't know, right? So if both the particular are not given, we cannot identify actually purchase and COGS. You can try, right? जैसे हम फॉर्मेट बनाते थे ना, opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. So you won't get that figure. So what we need to do? We need to use this formula. So write down answer number 21. Answer number 21. So write down one more input. COSA is equal to, write down closing stock minus opening stock, right? Closing stock minus opening stock minus, right? Minus average index. So IA means average index, right? Divided by closing stock divided by index of closing minus opening stock divided by index of opening. I hope you understood. This CS is mean closing stock. OS means opening stock. IA index opening. IC index closing. IO index opening, right? Sorry, this is average, index average, and IO index opening, right? So this formula we need to learn this formula. So remember this, right? Closing stock minus opening stock minus average indices, closing stock minus opening stock, that we need to write, is equal to, chalo, closing stock is given 16,000 above minus opening stock is given 12,000. So this we have written, this is minus, so I will write minus. Average indices is 190 in the bracket. Closing stock is 16,000. So 16,000 divided by closing index is 200 minus opening stock 12,000 divided by opening indices 160. So I am writing 160. Okay, now solution of this is nothing but 4,000 minus 190 will keep for some time and multiply later on. So 16,000 divided by 200, it comes 80, minus 12,000 divided by 160, it comes 75, right? So 4,000 minus 190 in the bracket 5, not 7 but 5. So 4,000 minus 190 into 5, so 950. So 4,000 minus 950, it comes 3050. It comes 3050. 3050 is COSA. So cost of sales adjustment. I hope that you learn this. It was through shortcut method we have learned, because we cannot find out opening stock is provided plus purchase not given. So we don't know this, minus closing stock we don't know, we know, but COGS we don't know. So we cannot find out, right? So we have to use what? These formulas. So write down this formula and calculate your own. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you so much.